So we're back after like months. Y'all ever wondered what happened? This is it. She started making a knocking sound. We thought it could have been a timing belt tensioner and I skipped a tooth or something. That's not it. I still have knocking, which means this has to all come out. And now we're at the process where I gotta disconnect intercooler, intake, turbo exhaust, battery, the oil, air to oil separator I put in, fuel lines, vacuum lines, all the lines, AC lines, transmission. Subarus, am I right? We think it's either a head issue, which is kind of weird because these cars aren't known for having head issues. Or it could be a spun bearing, which is a Subaru classic. Lucky me. We're just gonna dump more money into this and see if it works. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, I ain't gonna know at this point. She's gonna come back stronger. I'm just gonna put you guys somewhere and. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hope it's off. Well, it's tomorrow morning, and it's raining and thundering outside, so we whipped out the light and a ramp so we get a bit more light in here. Now let's keep going.
Later.
Clear enough. The neighbor has an engine hoist. Some assembly required, though. But it's pretty good news, man. This is pretty good news. Hey, let's get it. I forgot to record the entire thing. I got too excited. Got it out. And I gotta figure out what's actually wrong with this thing.